Today, let's take a look at how a factory produces toast bread. First, workers will put flour and water in a specific ratio into a mixer to blend them evenly. This continues until it forms a dough with this kind of elasticity. Then, it's poured into a stainless steel transportation cart. Our dough-kneading master, who has practiced for 2.5 years, skillfully uses a technique of alternating hand movements to quickly tighten and shape the dough. The dough is then placed into molds. Each mold will hold 6 pieces of dough, all of the same size. For workers who don't have the kneading skills, they can only rely on machines to automatically knead and shape the dough. Then, each piece is placed into the molds and arranged neatly. Once the molds are full, a cover is placed on top, and they are left to rest for a period of time to allow the yeast in the dough to ferment and rise. After the dough has fermented, it's placed into an oven. It's baked at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once taken out, it becomes the delicious smelling toast bread we love. The loaves are arranged neatly, and then syrup is brushed on top. Finally, they're ready to be packaged and sold.